Hello students, colorful ABCD, colorful alphabet and colorful counting numbers. Today we learn English alphabet A to U and counting number 1 to 14. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. A for apple, B for boat, C for camel, D for dog, E for engine, F for flag, G for gift, H for house, I for ink, J for juice, K for kite, L for light, M for man, N for nose, O for onion, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for ship, T for train and U for umbrella. Counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Thanks.